Milo the Curious Kitten. Once upon a time, in a quiet little village, there lived a fluffy baby cat named Milo. Milo had soft fur, big round eyes, and the tiniest paws you've ever seen. One sunny morning, Milo saw a shiny red balloon floating in the sky. It danced and bobbed in the breeze, like it was calling his name. Milo started following the balloon. Along the way, he met a friendly turtle named Tilly. Tilly. Balloons fly high, but you're still small. Be careful. Next, he met a buzzing bee named Benny, collecting nectar from flowers. Warning: watch out for prickly bushes, Benny warned as Milo squeezed past a rose bush. As the sun began to set, Milo realized he had gone very far from home. His whiskers drooped. Sad. "I don't know the way back," he whispered. Just then, Tilly the turtle, Benny the bee, and even the balloon came back into view, all ready to help Milo find his way. Together, they guided him through the meadow. When Milo saw his home again, he ran and leapt into his mama's arms. That night, as stars twinkled above, Milo curled up with a sleepy yawn and whispered, "Sleepy, today I chased a balloon and found new friends." And with that, the curious kitten drifted into the sweetest dreams. Moral of the story: curiosity leads to adventure, and friends will always help you find your way home.